Do you feel better now? Do you feel smarter now? I do want to look beautiful and be the princess for a day. I do want to book a church or a temple and a catering hall. I do want to pick out flowers, and I do want to see you in a tux. I do want my dad to walk me down the aisle and ask me 7 times whether I'm sure I want to do this. I do want to see my mother smiling in the front row. And I do want to see your crazy mother rolling her eyes because she thinks you could have done better. I do want to see my sister make a speech, and I do want to see Patrick try and make a speech through his drunken stupor. I do want them to throw rice at us, and I do want them to play that stupid song when we cut the cake, and I do want to take the cake and shove it in your face, and I do want to take pictures, and I do want you to change your mind about this. And you should give it to me, especially since it means nothing to you.